me Swamini tambekar from class 10. So in previous video, as we all know that we will discuss about Indian map. It was a geography subject, but in this video we are going to discuss different subject. Of course, different subject means different topic. So in this video we are going to talk about the math subject, and the lesson is from 6th lesson statistics. So first of all, we are going to look three methods. So from our childhood, like we will know the statistics lesson from the 5th standard, but we will just know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is known as statistics. We will know in 5th standard, like just this 4 line and the 5th line is known as this cross line. This is known as statistics. So we will just know this much in 5th standard, but now we are in 10th standard, so we are going to face, or we are going to discuss about the pie diagram and everything. But for today we are going to look the three methods known as three methods. So the three methods are, first one is direct method, the second one is assumed method, and the third one is step deviation. Now they are the three methods. Now talking about the formula, so the formula of direct method is x bar is equals to x bar. You can see the line above the x is known as the bar. This line is known as the bar. So you can call the line above the x is bar. So we will call x bar is equals to Fixi upon Fi. And talking about this one, like I will give it here, so it is known as summation. So you can call summation Fixi upon summation Fi. So talking about the assume method, d bar is equals to Fi di summation Fi di upon summation Fi, or here you can also give n. Or about talking about the x step deviation, u bar is equals to Fi ui summation upon summation Fi. So this line is known as bar and this is known as summation. But for today, till we were going to discuss about the direct method. This two we will discuss afterward, but this for till here we will discuss about the direct method. So let me first take one question, then I will give you solution, or I will explain you about the question. Okay, so here I just take one example of direct method, but till 5th, 6th, 7th, what we learn? That much. Statistics is known as that much. We will someone give just one what table and everything, and we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till 6th or 7th, we will just know this much about the statistic. But now
tell me, explain that example.
But now you were going to discuss about the histogram, frequency, polygon and pi diagram. But till today we are going to discuss about direct method. So let's go. Here I just take one example of direct method. So let's see the solution. So first of all, set the one thing in your mind. There are 4 boxes in direct method because there are 3 methods. So there are different boxes in different methods. So in direct method there are 4 boxes. So as I drawn here 4 boxes. So first it will come class. I will explain you what is going to come here. Class mark means EXL. It's mean like class mark is also denoted by EXL. Now talking about here going to come frequency. Frequency means number of workers. It can also denoted by Fi. And here it's going to come class mark multiply by frequency. It's also going to denoted by Xi Fi. Why I just take here xi fy? Because xi is known as class mark and fy we are going to known as frequency. So we have to do multiplication. So we will going to take xi fy in the 4 column. So whatever will come here and here, we have to multiply them both, and then here will be the answer. Okay, let's find. First we will discuss about them. So class means time or hour. Time or hour which is going to negate. So class means the upper part, you know, the time hour for each to complete the work. So we are going to take these all numbers over the first boxes. So the first number is 15 to 19. So now class mark. So what will come here?
Frequency.
So 15. So we have to take the number that going to come between the 15 and 19. So the numbers are 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now what you suppose, what will be going to come? So just focus like which one is the middle number. The middle number is 17. Okay, so it's fine if we're going to come 70 because we have to take 17 as known as the class mark. We have to take the middle number known as the class mark. So the middle number is 17. That's why we just take 17. Why we take 17? I am telling you again, because 15 and 19 we have to take the middle number, and the middle number is 17. And talking about frequency, it's already given here. Number of workers. I already write here number of workers. So the number of workers is, look at about the 15. Look below the about 15 and 19. So the number is 10. Okay, why I take 10? Because the workers are 10, so that's why I take 10. So simply, as I already told you, class mark multiplied by frequency. So our class mark is 17 and our frequency is 10. So we have to just multiply them both because class mark multiplied by frequency. So it will 0, 0, 0, 7, 1. So the answer will be 170. Okay, so our first one is get out the answer. Talking about the second one is 20, 24. Of course, we have to write again the number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Which one is the middle number? The middle number is 22. So what will come here? 22. Fine. Talking about the frequency, it's 15. Look below the 2024, it's 15. So again we have to do multiplication. We have to do the same process as we do at above. So we have to do multiplication. 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11. 0. 1 to the 2. 1 to the 2. So the answer will 330. Easy. So our second one is also completed. So talking about the third one, we have to do the same process as it is. So the third one is 25, 29. Taking the middle number 25, 26, 27, 28. Now you can able to find which one is the middle. The middle one is 27. So we can take here 27 because it is the middle number. Talking about the frequency is 12. Look below the 25, 29. What is the frequency? Is 12. Again have to do multiplication. Simple. 27 multiplied by 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. 0. 1 7 are 7. 1 2 are 2. Do the addition 4. 7 plus 7, 12. And it's 3. 3, 24. Third one is also done. Talking about the fourth one. What is the fourth one? 30, 34. Same process. 30, 31, 32, 33 and 34. Which one is the middle? Of course 32. So here we are going to take 32. What is the frequency? It's 8. So again have to do the multiplication of 32 multiplied by 8. 8 to the 16, 8 to the 24 plus 1, 25. 256. Fourth one is also done. Talking about the fifth one, it's 35, 39. Take the all numbers between 35 and 39, 36, 37, 38 and 39 the last. So of course the middle will be 37. So what we are going to take here is of course 37. The frequencies, look at below the 35 and 39, it's 5. Okay. So 37 multiplied by 5 is equals to 5. 7s are 35, 5 is a 15 plus 3, 18. Is 185. Now we are done with all our questions, but here it's not gonna finish. We have to do one more step. Of course, we have to do the addition of the all numbers that we are taking out. Okay, so here we are going to write total. Here we have to write summation fi. I already told you that it is known as summation. So don't be confused at this step. It simply is known as summation. Summation fi is equals to, we have to do the addition of everything. 10 plus 15 plus 12, 8, 5. Is going to 5 plus 2. Is going to, oh, sorry. Okay, so talking about these numbers, the addition will be 20. 2 we will carry here, and 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So the total addition is 50. And talking about this, let's write here 330, 324, 256 and 185. Do the addition of this all things. 6 plus 4, 10, 15. Then it's will 7, 8, 9, 10, 18, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 3, 4, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here will be 6, sorry. So the total will be 1, 2, 6, 5. Okay, so the addition is also done, but we have to write here summation fi xi is equals to, what is the answer? 1, 2, 6, 5. Now we are done with this addition and this addition also, but now it's not done. We have to do the one more step. The last one is known as mean. So we have to take here final formula that I already told you when we are doing the introduction. I have already told you the formula of direct method. So the formula of direct method is x bar is equals to, I already told you this line is known as bar. So x bar is equals to summation fi xi or xi fi upon n, otherwise fi. So talking about fi xi, what is our fi xi? Means what is class mark multiplied frequency. What is it? 1, 2, 6, 5. And what is our n or fi? It's 50. Simply we have to do the dividation. So I will write in big box. So 1, 2, 6, 5 divided by 50. Of course, talking about 1 and 2, it's smaller than 50 digits, so we have to take 3 digits. So 50 ones are 50, 50, talking 50 twos are, let's say 50 twos are, 50 twos are of course 100, and talking about 50 threes are is 150. So of course 126 is smaller than the 150. So we have to take 50 twos are 100. Okay, now we find 2, only one digit. So 126 minus 100 is equals to 26. So we have still remain 26. So we can write it over here, 265. Now 50 5s are 50, as it is 0, 5 5s are 25. So 250 is of course smaller than 265, but talking about 50 multiplied by 6 is of course 300. But of course 300 is the greatest value from 265. So we can take here 5. 55 is 250. So 265 minus 250. 510. So it's 15 remains. Of course, I already told you 50 is greater than 15. So we have to increase 10 and have to give here 1 point, because 15 can't divide it by 50. So here we get 150. So 53 is 1. 3 5s are 15. So we can take here 3. Like 53 is 150. So the answer is came out. The answer is 25.3. So remind it, 25.3. So the final answer is 25.3. So the answer is came out. The answer is 25.3. Already I am going to explain you again. So first of all, we will take one example over here, and the solution is here. Just remind that is question, and here we just take an solution or solution of this question. So first of all, just get set in your mind that there are 4 boxes in direct method, because there are 3 methods properly. So in all 3 methods there are different boxes. So in direct method especially there are 4 boxes. So in first box we will take class, in second box we will take the class mark, and in third box we will take the frequency, and in fourth box we have to do multiplication of them both, and then we will get answer, means class mark multiply frequency. So in class we will take all the numbers above that are given below already. So we will just take it here. And talking about the 17, 25, 22, why we just get it? So 15 is equals to 19. So we have to take the numbers between 15 and 19, and the middle one is 17. So that's why we get 17. Talking about this 10, 15 is already given here. Just look at the 15 and 19. So the below is 10. Frequency, number of workers, is already written here. So the frequency is 10 and 15. Then we do the multiplication of them both. So the answer is 170. So like how we just take out all the answer, like only this method, like all are the same as it is. So we here write the total, and we just do the addition of this all digits. So the sum of the all digits is 50. And talking about this, so is equals to 1265. Now here mean is equals to x bar is equals to summation fi xi is equals to n. It's a formula. When we are giving you the introduction of this lesson, I have told you the formula of direct method. So it is the formula of direct method. Then easily we just take the, what was our fi xi? It was 1265, and our n or fi is here. You can take also fi, summation fi. So the summation fi was our 50. Then we do the division of them both. 50 ones are 15, and then the answer here is 25.3. So it was a final answer of this question. So it was for today, guys. If you like this, thank you so much.